Girl, why are you playing with me? Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff. I've been on the same shit. Girl, why are you playing with me? I don't got the time for that. Might need me a refund.
So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my iconic red eyebrows. So I like to take a Burgundy lip liner pencil. I'm using the color Plum in NYX. I'm going to put all the information to everything I use in the description box. But I like to outline the top and the bottom of my eyebrow and then color in the lines basically. I don't really worry about the front of the eyebrow because I'm going to blend it in later. So I want to make sure that every piece of hair on my eyebrow is filled in and ready to go. Then I like to take my concealer and concealer brush and outline the bottom to make sure I'm cleaning everything up. Then I also like to outline the top as well, because since we are using a color, you want to make sure you clean up everything as much as possible so everything looks clean on your face. Once I outline everything, I like to take a crease brush and blend everything in. One thing that I do differently than other people is I like to use a foundation powder to also blend in my concealer so everything matches my face, because I don't wear a lot of face makeup, so this just helps with blending all the concealer into my face. So I take the same brush and I use the powder to fill in to blend in my concealer. So as you can see, I'm going to fill in and make my the front of my eyebrow blend into my face. I take the same powder and I blend in that front of the eyebrow. I cannot stress enough that I make it almost transparent that my eyebrow has disappeared. I want to put so much on there so that once I blend it in with my little brush right here, that it just looks like it's coming straight out of my face and then look like I dyed my eyebrows. And if you feel like you don't have enough, as I did here, I put a little bit more foundation powder on, and then I like to go in with some clear mascara and blend it all in as well. And as you can see here, I have my finished eyebrow and another one that I hadn't blended as well, and I'm going to show you the blending process one more time.